No, but don't drop my camera. Oh, come on. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. Once you see that, we're back on Akil's Mercedes E55 AMG. In the last episode, I told you that it went up to a company called MSL in Birmingham, where we pushed it to stage 2. Well, we've got, Akil, what is it called?
Supercharger Pulley.
We've got a new Supercharger Pulley, which we're gonna be taking it to stage 3, which in total should push it to about 650 brake horsepower. So, we got a lot to do today. I'm done talking, let's get into it. Akil, you ready? Fire in the hole!
Of Pulley respect was before they were sitting completely down. Every jump is just in forward.
Alright guys, time to have some fun! What's the difference?
Like your one with my one.
There you go, guys. So you got a fatter belt, more meat onto the charger. You got a smaller diameter. It's like the cogs on a bike, isn't it? Smaller the cogs, the faster it spins. So you're getting more out of this supercharger into the engine and developing more power. Akil, you just tested it. What do you think? Yeah? I think we need to have a bit more testing, a little bit more fun. So we're gonna finish that off tomorrow.
Which one is more louder?
What are you saying? Big bottle? This one is proper cars, man.
Yeah, it's nice, really.
Look at the side, look at that paintwork, guys. Perfect match. Perfect color match. By that guy there. That's what you call a proper car, yeah? Not the old school.
The old 3 liter.
Nah.
V8 power.
Guys, let's go for a little spin. See what this thing's saying, man. Come on. Listen, Salvage Nation's got you. Let's go. Oh, it's too much. No, but don't drop my camera. No. Come on. Guys, this car is too much, but check it out. For one car that's too much to another one. Oh. Everyone's out tonight. Oh, tonight we're having fun. See him. Guys, tonight we're having fun, man. Come on. One in, one out. So guys, there you have it. Like, tonight is all about having fun. We got Akil's car, is all good. Akil, how much horsepower your car pushing now with that new clutch pulley? With that clutch pulley that we just installed into Akil's legendary AMG E55 is now pushing about 650 brake, and we have turned it into even more of a beast, and I am happy. Akil, you happy? Always. Listen, and then you saw that C63S. That's a customer car that came in. Literally, Akil done a perfect blending job on that rear quarter, in and out. That's the Salvage Nation way. And then you just saw that BMW. If you're an OG subscriber on the channel, you'll recognize that BMW. I've driven it every now and again. I'm absolutely scared of that car, 800 brake. But I just wanted to show you all of that because I've got something up my sleeve. It's coming, and you gotta wait and see what it is. So this is where we're gonna end this episode. We've sorted out a bit more on Akil's car. Stay tuned for the next episode where we're gonna be sorting out something else on one of the other builds that I've got. And if you wanna see that, you have to subscribe to the channel. So, like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.